How do you pronounce these words in English? Work it, finish it, wash it. Be careful. The ED in English has 3 different sounds depending on the letter that's here before it. So we can pronounce it with a T sound, with a D sound, or id sound. So if the letter here at the end, the sound is unvoiced, we use the T sound. So stopped, worked, danced, fixed, kissed, washed, watched, sniffed, laughed, or laughed. But if it is voiced, you can hear a vibration called D sound, cold, cleaned, offered, damaged, loved, used, amazed, rubbed, claimed, and the vowels. For example, stayed. And the ones that ends with a D and T, we say id, needed, wanted. Like, follow and share.